Hi, my name is Rhys. I work for Airbus and I am the change management and user adoption leader on everything to do with Google Workspace and the decommissioning of Microsoft Office. For me, highlights there, well, first of all, I got a sneak preview a few weeks ago of what's new in Google Chat so that we could talk about it in the discussion. That was pretty cool. And also that was a customer panel. So it meant that I got to exchange with two other customers of Google Workspace who are very different to Airbus in size and in the sectors they work in. And we were able to exchange a little bit on what works and what doesn't work, why we find chat useful, and what we're most excited about with the new features. And of course, it's also a chance to connect with the product owners at Google, so this is always appreciated. Gave a lightning talk on how we're fostering a culture of innovation with our citizen developers at Airbus using low-code, no-code tools such as AppScript and AppSheet. I'm a loudmouth. I like the sound of my own voice, so always a highlight to get the chance to talk to people. What was really nice was there were a lot of questions and a lot of follow-up discussions. So several people who came up that had some advice on what we could do and how we could improve that at Airbus with a bit more structure. Several people who wanted to know more and learn from us about how they could do it. So I think one of the big benefits of a session like that is that it does stimulate conversation between different Google Cloud customers that probably would have never met or never mixed with at any other location, and being able to have those conversations here was a real added benefit. There's a number of them. It's the first big conference I've been to since the pandemic. Just being here with so many people and experiencing the buzz and the hype and the vibe around the conference is something that I've really enjoyed. It's been a chance to meet a lot of Google product owners that we have meetings and conversations with, but haven't met in person. And so to get to meet some of them in person, either after a long time or in some cases for the first time, has been a real highlight as well. And it's also about seeing what's coming up, right? I mean, Google Next is all about what's on the roadmap, what's coming up, and not all of that is possible to catch up online. So being here in person to see some of that presented, have those discussions with other customers and other partners of Google, identify opportunities for collaboration, all of this is really a huge benefit. So coming together physically in person for me is really the big highlight.